Today we're making pepper steak, quick and easy, better than takeout. Let's get into the recipe. Right, so today I'm using top round steak, thinly sliced. I will tenderize it by adding some baking soda, water, mix that in and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you're going to rinse it very well, and now we're going to marinate it with some garlic and ginger, black pepper, also some soy sauce and cornstarch. Mix that in and set it to the side. Now let's mix up a quick sauce. Here I have some water. I will add some oyster sauce to that as well as some soy sauce. I will add a little honey and some cornstarch. Mix that well to combine and set aside. Here to a preheated pot, I added some oil and in with our steak. You want to cook this thoroughly. Once it's cooked through, I will share the next step. So here I added a little more oil and then in with our vegetables. Today I'm using bell peppers, onion, garlic, and ginger. Give that a real good toss and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes or so, after which you want to combine everything. Then the last thing we'll do is come in with that sauce that we made. Once the sauce is added, allow it to thicken. Once it thickens, that's basically it. Now we can plate this up and enjoy. Quick, easy, and simple. Perfect for a weekday dinner or even on a weekend. Here you have it, my version of pepper steak. I did serve this up with some Korean glass sweet potato noodles, but it can go with rice as well or anything that you like. Give the recipe a try. Let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.